First time I visited Barcelona, I guess I was blown away by the beauty of the city.
The closest that the city center is to the sea, it's really part of the nature of it.
I really like to walk around and enjoy the city. It's probably the best way to do it.
The narrowness of the streets, all the little alleys that you can walk down.
There's always something new to see every time you go out.
Coming from the United States, which is not very old when you compare to what you have here in Barcelona.
Gothic, contemporary, modernist.
Come here with no stress. It's a beautiful experience.
The America's Cup's going to be absolutely huge in Barcelona, and just the vibe that's starting to build in the city as the excitement grows towards the competitions.
The America's Cup is an incredible event in itself, but the city is well beyond and way bigger than what the America's Cup is.